So these are the FLASHDRY Universal Spill Absorbent Pads, and they come in 100 count. And whether you are painting or you are working in the garage and you just don't want oil or grease or anything to spill on the floor, these just provide such an extra great layer of protection. So I love that they're made with a sturdy tear resistant material, and they don't have like any dust or any particles coming off of them. So they're just a nice pad that's just going to give you that extra layer. These are 17.5 by 13.5 pads, and they're 2 millimeters thick. For me, I own a salon in my basement, and sometimes my sink leaks, and so I'm going to put these down under that just to give me like an extra layer of protection. So the size, you can either, if you wanted to put these next to each other, you have plenty and can make that area bigger. Or if you were needing to cut it in half, you could make that size smaller, giving you even more use out of them, or even just fold it in half, giving you an even thicker layer of protection. So this one I spilt some water on too, and you can see that it definitely provided an extra just an extra amount of protection from my table. Definitely helps absorb any liquid that you might spill. Again, I think these would also be really great for painting, just to have as a good barrier. So if you're just needing something that is going to help give an extra layer of protection and super easy, I love that these you can just whip out really easily and place down, then you should definitely check these out.